Hi, so I just completed Make Money Online Challenge 3.0 of Iman Ghazi, and day first is completed. And as I promised, I will be making and explaining the whole presentation he did. I will be explaining you what are the tips and tricks of digital marketing or in the business that I have learned from him. So today in this video I just want to talk about why events are important. Like, I attended this event and I have learned a lot. If you already know things, then still you learn new things. So if you have any opportunity to attend the event, you have time. Nowadays a lot of events are online, so why not you have to register for that. If they are free, go and register for that. If they are paid and you think that this will be valuable, then you must have to register for that event. It is very very important. You learn a lot. Okay, so stay with me. I will be sharing you tips and tricks that Iman Ghazi used in his presentation today. So let's get started.